Okay, you guys, in this video we're going to talk about sound, and I'm going to show you just the basics that you need to know in Adobe Premiere for working with sound. I'm taking you here to my YouTube video because this was a video that I had created for a class, and what you'll notice is it has a lot of views. It has 14,000 views, which is great. It also has some dislikes, but one big lesson I learned when I created this video is if we press play, you can hear this music in the background.
Don't always turn out the way we
and then my
expect them
voice
to.
comes in, and if you look at these comments, this one says, "I so wish that you had no music in the background, had to stop watching your video. Your voice and the music irritated my ears. I would have preferred just listening to your voice." And then same down here that the music was too loud, and someone actually see how they liked it. They said, yeah, that's true. And then I actually replied and said, thanks for the feedback. So this was a really good lesson for me on sound. So I just wanted to share that with you before we go into Adobe Premiere. Okay, so now here I am in Adobe Premiere, and we're going to work with some audio. But before we do that, there are a couple of things that I wanted to show you really quick. If you lift this little line up, what you'll notice is you'll be able to see the thumbnails of your video. So that might actually be helpful for you when you're editing your video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull in audio. I should grab this audio and put it in 3, and then I'll just delete 2. Okay, so here's my audio. So what you'll see is I play this and that audio will come in. Okay, so if I want to adjust that audio, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right up here to this tab, Audio Clip Mixer. And what you'll see is in here I have my audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. When you look down here, this is my audio 3 clip. So basically, if I just want to turn down that volume, I can just slide this slider down. I'm going to slide it down to here, and it'll adjust that volume. So let's go back and listen to it. So it's not quite as loud. So that's how you see you change the volume in your audio. I also want to show you that you have this M and this S. M is basically mute. It mutes that track, and when you look down here, you can see that track is muted. So if I press play, I won't hear that music anymore. Okay, and solo, S, that means only play what's on that track. So that might be useful for you if you're editing and you don't want to delete any of the audio yet, but you can hear what it might sound like if you're doing a voiceover or something. So though that is the basics, there's a lot of different things you can do in Adobe Premiere, but that's basically what you need to know for your next project.